the great hornbird in Malaysia. Miriam feeding the peacock.
I don't want to. That's scary. Oh.
Whoa, and a guy just flew down here.
This is kind of scary now.
And they're surrounding Miriam.
I'm scared. Look at its face. Oh, goodness.
We're in the bird park in Kuala Lumpur. Miriam's mom.
Wow, I'm surrounded. Mom.
This ostrich is tired of life, being encaged. They're training the birds. Well, not the bird. They're training this guy how to manipulate the bird, so the bird should come when he hears the whistle. But there he finally goes. Yeah. And then this dude over here is gonna probably call him again, and the bird should leave this guy, right, exactly like that. But the trainee had to whistle like 5 times for the bird to come, while the professional dude just did it once.
This one flashed.
Huh?
This one flashed.
Ah, bird dance. I don't know what this one is doing. Some kind of strange bird ritual here in Kuala Lumpur. This bird thinks he's the boss and he's trying to chase away everyone.